How to fix a laptop screen showing half or not showing full. You can see this is the date and this is the startup menu, meaning that everything is complete, only that the screen is showing half or doesn't fit to where it's supposed to. Every other thing is working, but there's a space still remaining here that is blank. You can see it here on the two sides of the screen. I try most things, solution I see online, and it's not working. So let's go. First of all, let me check the display settings. This is display 1 and landscape. I click on advanced setting. Let me check the resolution. This is the resolution, the recommended one. Let me apply this one and see whether it will change. Still the same thing. Let's check advanced setting of text and other items. This is it. This is the standard default of display here. So everything is okay here. So this is a file downloaded. This is Intel VGA driver. I'm extracting the file. Extraction has finished. Let me try and run the drivers. There are many of them, one after the other. Go to application icon and run the driver. This one is not working. It gives error. Let me check another one. There are many of them. You say can't run this on this PC. Let me try NT. Say can run this on this PC as well. So let me check in the device manager. But before then, let me try and run another driver software again. The driver. See whether I will drive the VGA. Because we need another resolution there. Now this is not working. So the graphic has stopped. And try a higher version 4.0. This is not working as well. So let me check the device manager. Right click, go to properties and click on device manager. Then can see the video controller here. Need update. It's showing error. So go to update. I'll select a folder. Then I will locate where I just extracted that driver that is under my document. I will select it, which is Intel. Then next, I will allow it to update using that. It's installing the driver software. It's still installing the drivers. Good. It's done. It's done. And our display has been corrected. Please subscribe my channel, like and share. So for more, if you have questions, please you ask. I'll fix it. This is a compact Presario B1200. Let's check the resolution again, the same way we did the first time. Look at this, resolution has increased. So the recommended one is this now. And all makes is to fix the screen 1280 by 800. What we had as recommended before is 1224 by 768. So we're done.